Hi, Dr. Olajay. It's Anitris Huey. I will be doing my results on my carbohydrate fermentation results tonight. I actually did my test on I want to say the 9th or the 8th. I took pictures, and I uploaded them of the actual results, but I'm going to show you the results that I got that were after 24 hours too, plus the results that I got around the 1600 mark. I hope that you're doing well. I haven't heard from you since the 4th, and I'm praying that everything is okay with you. So now we're going to get started. I'm going to turn my camera around. And so here we are. So as you can see, all of these look like they're fermenters, right? But this is after my tests have been sitting here for quite some time. This is about, I want to say this is about, give or take, 2 or 3 days. And they look like they're all fermenters. But as you will see with my pictures and my actual results that I uploaded to my HOL, that they weren't all fermenters. So then I'm going to scroll over to here. And I'm going to, let's see here. I'm going to scroll up. Let's see. So basically the first test tube, number 1, the Cerevisiae, the glucose, it was yellow with gas bubbles. So it was a fermenter with acid and gas production. And then my test tube number 1 with epidermidis glucose was yellow with like an orange red at the top of the tube. And it actually had gas bubbles present. So it was fermenter with acid and gas production also. Test tube number 2, my Cerevisiae with fructose, was yellow with gas bubbles also. And it was a fermenter with acid and gas production. And number 2, my S. epidermidis fructose was yellow, and it actually had the orange red at the top with gas bubbles present. So I would consider that a fermenter with acid and gas production. Test tube number 3, the S. cerevisiae mannitol was yellow with gas bubbles present. So I would consider that fermenter with acid and gas production. And the last test tube, number 3, the epidermidis mannitol, it was red. So I would consider that as a non-fermenter. I will raise this up. I want to show you the pictures that I actually have with the test tube number 1, the S. cerevisiae with glucose that I did on the 9th. So it was the 9th. And this is number 1, epidermidis glucose also, that I took pictures of on the 9th. This was 2, my S. cerevisiae fructose. And it was actually a fermenter with gas production. And this is my S. epidermidis. And it was also a fermenter with gas production. And we will go to test tube number 3. And this is S. cerevisiae with mannitol. And this was also a fermenter with gas production. And then the last one, test tube number 3, with the S. epidermidis mannitol. This was a non-fermenter for me. So as you can see in the color here, it's red. And then if you go over here in my actual test tube, number 3, S. epidermidis mannitol, it looks like it is a fermenter, right? With gas production. But it's not, because what you're seeing here are results way over 24 hours. But this is the result that was actually around this, I want to say maybe the 14-hour mark, 15-hour mark. And so it's definitely different. It's definitely different. So as you can see, the actual results, non-fermenter, Result after 20 hours. It looks like a fermenter, but it really wasn't. So that will be the end of my result for my lab 8, the biochemical testing, carbohydrate fermentation results video. Thank you.